Good afternoon, everyone. Let us continue the naming of two-dimensional shapes. We have completed till rectangle. Triangle we started. So everybody, please open your notebook. Open your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abel?
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Are you all ready with your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, open, and those who have drawn triangle, okay. Others?
Ma'am, right?
Yes, triangle. Next, we are going to draw triangle. I hope everybody has drawn this triangle, and you can draw a triangle. Those who haven't drawn, you can start do now.
Ma'am, we draw triangle.
Yes. So those who draw, please
Ma'am,
finish.
right?
Yes. And we gave name for A, B, C. So A, B, then C. So all of you name the sides, three sides of the given triangle. Everyone.
A, B.
Let
A, B.
others. Let others do. Let others do. Everyone.
B.
Everyone. Everyone do it yourself. After that, I'll ask one by one. Okay. That is good. Everybody do it. After that, three here only three sides and corners. For corners, we know only one letter because these are the corners. For that, only one letter. Like that, three corners. Try to write yourself. Yes, Dakshana Lakshmi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Written name of sites?
Ma'am,
Ah,
in the before class,
ah.
we returned this, so I return it already.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. So will you name this side? This side?
A, B.
Very good. A, B.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Now, next, Rose. Please unmute and name the next side, this side.
BC.
Very good. C. Now, Diksha Deepak, please unmute. Yes. Will you name this side?
CA.
Very good. C. A. So, A, B, B, C, and C, A are the sides. Next, name the corners. You know, these are the corners. Name the corners. Okay. Anton Sminto, please unmute. Yes. Unmute.
Ma'am.
Will you name this corner?
A.
A. Very good. Now Abel Sijo, please unmute.
Ma'am, I
Ah,
finished writing.
very good. Not written.
The
You
bus
already wrote.
right the door.
You wrote it. Very good. The previous period you have written everything. Already. Very good. Okay. What about this corner? You name that
Ma'am, A. B.
B. This corner is
B.
B. Good. Very good. Now, Arun, please unmute.
C.
This corner is C.
C.
Okay. Very good. Now, Malavika, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you name this triangle?
Triangle A, B, C and D.
D is there, dear?
A, B, C, D.
D is there here anywhere?
Triangle A, B, C.
Yes, enough. 3 letters are enough. For square or rectangle, 4 corners are there. That's why we use 4 letters. Here, only 3 corners and 3 letters. So, only use 3 letters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the name of the given triangle is triangle ABC. That also we can write now. All of you write as the next sentence. We name the given triangle as we name the given 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 triangle as triangle as TRIANGLE triangle as triangle. Yes.
We want to write in notebook.
In the notebook. Triangle ABC. Name of the given triangle is triangle ABC. Right? Neatly and fast. Have you all completed?
Yes. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Right. Those who haven't completed, please complete.
Ma'am,
Ashil
I
is there.
completed.
Okay, good. Ashil
I
is
want
there.
to complete.
Dear children, if Ashil is there here, please unmute and tell me. Ashil, not present today. Ashley is not there. Okay. So, is there anybody left to complete?
Ma'am, I finished.
Oh,
We are
good.
keeping
A few videos are off. Please turn on your videos, everyone. Andrea, Ashif.
Ma'am, she will.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, we have completed.
Oh, good.
Sarah finished. Ma'am, they are finished.
Yes, yes. Please wait. Very good. Those who have completed, very good. Please wait for others to complete. Next, we are going to discuss about circle. Okay. Now, try to write neatly and fast.
Ma'am, Afia completed.
Good.
Ma'am, the RKB completed.
Okay, good. Is there anybody left to complete?
Ma'am.
Can I stop sharing?
Completed.
Can I stop sharing?
Ma'am, no, Rose not complete.
Okay, okay, complete.
Ma'am, Vaidalakshmi complete.
Good, very good.
Ma'am, they are
Suresh
completed.
completed.
Ma'am, the Lakshmi
Suresh.
complete.
Okay, 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 good.
Ma'am, Afia complete.
Have you completed here?
Ma'am, they are complete.
Yes. Okay,
Complete.
good, good. Those who completed, please wait. Please wait.
Ma'am, Rose complete.
Okay. If you are writing,
Shubhane, they are finished.
good,
They are finished.
good. Devananda, Devananda, have you completed here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anybody to complete? Is there anybody?
Anna. No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has completed.
No.
Please.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Ma'am. Ma'am.
I hope everybody has completed. If anybody is there to complete, please raise your hand.
Third.
Diya KB, please turn on your video. Is there anybody left to complete? Please raise your hand. No. Everybody has completed. Okay.
Ma'am, Anna.
Anna. Yes, right fast, Anna. Okay. When you complete, please tell me. Okay. So, others have completed. Now, about circle, we have already discussed.
Free completed.
Okay, okay, Afreen. Now, Suresh, can you hear me, Suresh?
Yes.
For a circle, how many sides are there?
No side. No corner.
Aha. How many Suresh are there here? So, Suresh, how many sides are there for a circle? Will you repeat the answer?
No side.
No sides. Very good. Ansel,
Diamond.
please unmute. Unmute
Diamond
here.
shape.
Oh, please unmute. Unmute here. How many corners are there for a circle? How many corners?
No corners.
No
No
corners. Good. Now, let us draw a circle. So, for a circle, no sides, no corners. Now, is there anybody left to complete?
I'm finished. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hey, wait. Let me see who all didn't complete. Anna completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now hope nobody is there to complete. Okay. Now, okay. Next, you're going to draw a circle.
Circle.
Yes. All of you down to triangle, draw a circle. Give the heading circle and draw a circle. So now I am going to rub it. Hope everybody has completed. Now, next, last and final 2D shape for us is circle. CIRCLE, circle. And draw a circle. You can use your bangle or
Right.
yes, you can write.
Ma'am, you want to take new page?
No, if you have space in the same page, you can write over there.
Okay, ma'am.
But wait, wait.
We want to write.
Yes, give the heading circle and draw a circle. Draw a circle like this. And inside the circle, at the center, put a dot like this. Almost at the center, put a dot like this. Why?
Ma'am, you want
Yes.
to write it?
Yes, you have to write circle heading. After that, you can draw a circle. You can use your bangle or some bottle cap. Draw the circle neatly. And almost in the center, put a dot. And put right over there O, letter O. That dot is the center of the circle.
And in the circle, write the small circle.
Sorry? The circle, at the center you can put a dot and write the letter O. That dot is the center. We gave name for that O. The center is O now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah,
may I drink a water?
sorry?
May I please drink a water? Drink water.
Ah,
Like this
drink.
two dots also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am,
next day onwards, keep a.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, dear.
can I drink also water?
Sorry?
Can I also drink water?
Do one thing, next class onwards, keep a water bottle or something with the water. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to drink.
What, ma'am?
Ah. So, I hope you all draw a circle. Now, let me ask Shivanedya. Shivanedya, please unmute. My
Yes,
dear,
ma'am.
is there any straight line in the circle?
No.
No. What is the line used here?
Circle.
In the circle, which line? Is it straight line or curved line?
Curved line. Curved line.
Yes, curved line. So, a circle is a curved line. Say,
Curved line.
curved line.
Curved line.
Now,
Curved line.
yes, curved line. Now, Devananda is not the, okay. Ashujit,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a closed figure or an open figure?
Close figure.
Very good. It's a closed figure. There is no opening. So a circle, not only circle, triangle, rectangle, square, all the figures are closed. Circle also a closed figure. It is a curved line. Okay. And you don't want to mark any A, B, C, D over here. You only want to mark center. You have already marked here. One center you have marked. And for that center you have given name O, by the letter O. So you can call this circle, or the name of this circle is circle O. Circle O. If you draw another circle and mark the center and given name as C, here the circle is circle C. Okay, only you have to check the center to name a circle. Like that, if you draw another circle,
Another circle.
you don't want to draw it, just for showing. No need to draw. If you mark the center as A, this circle is circle A. Okay. Only you have to check the center to name a circle. Is that clear to everyone? This one is circle C because the center is C. This one is circle A because the center is A. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So everybody start writing. Only few things about circle. A circle is a curved line. So you can write, it is a curved line. It is a curved, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved line, L-I-N-E, curved line. A circle is a curved line. You already know it has no sides or corners.
I think C-U-R.
It has,
I'm right.
yes, you can write. No sides or corners. A circle has no sides or no corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Corners. And last and final sentence, we name a circle
Please
somebody is talking in Malayalam over there. Who is talking? By its center. Oh. So only want to check the center to name a circle. It is a curved line. It has no sides or corners. We name a circle by its center. Center means the dot. Inside the circle, we have put a dot. That is the center of the circle.
Ma'am, Krishna, that's finished.
Good.
And Shivanaga, finish.
Good, good. Those who completed, read it once and check any mistake is there.
And Veda completed.
Okay, good.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Prithvi, writing?
Ma'am,
Okay,
table finish.
very good, dear.
Ma'am, Andrea finish.
Very good.
Ma'am, she finish. Ma'am, I'm gonna finish.
Oh, those who completed, sit there and write. Sit there and read what you have written and check any spelling mistake is there. Samanyaya completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Sitting with a
She
good
will
hair
again
bow.
family. Ma'am. Veda corrected all.
Sahasra completed here. Sahasra completed.
Ma'am, Afia complete. Yes.
Okay. Afia, okay. Very good. Others write neatly.
Ma'am,
Nainiga.
finish.
Nainiga
Ma'am,
joined
I
late.
completed.
Nainiga joined late.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Try to write it fast and neatly.
I have finished. Ma'am, that's the debug finish.
Okay, those who completed can take your textbook. Those who completed can take your textbook.
Ma'am, the activity finish. Page number, ma'am.
That I will tell you. Now, some are writing. So let them write. After that,
Ma'am.
ah,
Page number, ma'am.
yes, page number and all I'll tell you, dear.
Ma'am, Rose.
Please, please wait. Those who completed, please take your textbook ready with you. Others, write it fast. I'll tell you that page number and all because if you are writing, that's why. Is there anybody left to complete?
No. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, page number.
Wait here, let others complete. After that, I'll tell you, wait. Let me take my text. Is there anybody left to complete? Can I stop sharing?
Yes.
Or have completed? Huh?
Yes.
If anybody is there to complete, please unmute and tell me. Those who have completed, take page number 7, textbook. Not page number 7, page number 5.
Ma'am, I not have
So
textbook,
now
ma'am.
listen.
I already taken.
Very good. Those who don't have textbook, do one thing. Try to write the answer in the rough book or backside of math notebook. And later, after the class, do it in the textbook. Clear, everyone? So,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
let's. Is there anybody left to complete this sentences?
Ma'am.
Nobody is left. Okay, take your textbook, page number 5. Can I rub this? Sure? Everybody has completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So those who take textbook, take page number 5. Very easy. Very easy to do it. Very easy. That's what we are doing now. Take page number 5. Please wait, let me take the same page. There you can see, identify line, line segment and ray from the following. Can you see that question? Train my brain in page number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you that. This one. In page number 5. I hope your page number and my page number is same. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Identify ray, line and segment. That means line segment. So all of you try to write which is the line. Under the line you can say you can write line. Under line segment you can write line segment. Under ray you can write ray. Name it now itself. A. Right. Forgot. For a line, how many arrows will be there for a line?
3.
For a line. For a line, how many arrows will be there? Arrows. For a line, 2 arrows. For a ray, how many arrows? For ray, how many arrows? 1 arrow. For a line segment, how many arrows?
No arrows.
No arrows. So all of you write. All of you write. Try to write. Prithvi, completed? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is ray or line segment?
Line.
Line. So you can write line over there. Now, very good, dear. Now, Ishan, please unmute. Ishan Krishna. Please unmute. B. B is? Ray. Very good. Now, Sarah, please unmute. The last one. This one,
Line segment.
line segment. You can write line segment or segment. segment, line segment. Line ray, line segment.
Line segment has no
So anyway,
arrow.
time is up. Do one thing. If anybody is there to complete the same thing, we will do in the next class also. I will show you in the next class also. Okay. So don't worry. We will do few more questions in the next class. So I am going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you, my dear children.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye. Bye.